chunky monkey monkey on the car. And I mean, if you subscribe though. And I'm back in Rosa because I just left her at the office after I pick up my car. Now we have a problem. So the, how is it called, wipe screener? It is the wipe. Anyway, so when we've been with the car to the zoo, because we do have the big safari around us, when we've been with the car to the safari, Adriana's been in this car, I've been in my car. Now I was watching it and I will look to see if I found the video, but it was a big chunky monkey in there which decided, you know what, I want that whipper. So I just started to jump on it, pull it and so on. They broke it. Now I do believe it might be a chance with a little of my DIY to be able to sort it out and just put it back. I mean, it looks like it's a spring or something in there, but we'll see. Anyway, we will see. All I've just done some shopping. I want to put some diesel in this little baby, and we're going home. Let's see from there. Bye. Just arrived home because I was stopping, as I told you, to put some gas in this little baby and doing some shopping. Tonight is gonna be a Mexican night, but let me show you. This is actually, this is the problem. Now it's broken because we did have the monkey on the car, and I mean, let me show you. So this is where the problem is. Now, of course, I have it here. 2 days ago, I was trying to fix it, where I realized, oh, I still have the spring there. So if I have the spring, might not be that bad. Now, I know it's broken, so it's gonna be a hit or miss, but why not? It's just worth trying, and probably you can still see the signs of the monkey on the car, where just jump all over and everything. This is it, Rosalina Bombardina, and I mean, I bring everything here, trying to record, but this is the problem. It did have a nut on the top, which I took it off. Now let's have a look. I did bring some WD-40, which hopefully might help. It's hard to do it with one hand, so just add some in there. I've tried WD-40, this one doesn't move. What I was hoping, this one is gonna simply move, and because of that I'm gonna be able to do the rest, but it's not. Or just to explain to you, all of this stuff, this part in special is what I need to fix it back in there. Now for that, I'm just gonna try with a screwdriver, and that might be the easy fix. If not, I have to open it and unscrew everything in there. So let's have a look. All I'm gonna try with a flat one. Let's see if we can fix it in there, but I'm doubted. And simply as that, it is impossible, because I do need this one to go back in. So, is it? It's not moving at all. No, it's moving from here. So, let's have a look here. How do we make it? It's supposed to be here. minute. I've tried now with the spring the other way. So first time, what I was thinking, you see that hook in there? It's coming this way and goes there. But what if it's this way? I mean, might have a chance to be able to put it, because I cannot take that part out. Or even if I take it, I think I can damage it, which obviously that's not what I want. Oh. It's this way. The spring does its things. But the problem is I need to put this one first. And how do I force that part in there? Oh, for fuck's sake. You know what? Let's force it a bit. Yes, baby. Yes. 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 So, I mean, pretty much, most likely, all of that was for nothing. All I had to do is to force it. But it's one of the things you don't know till the moment you try. And let's see if it's working. And that's the moment. Let's have a look. Yes, baby, yes. So all I have to do now, let me keep it for 2 more minutes and fix it. Done. Now, coming back to what we did destroy first time, and let's try to put that back properly. But yes, that was it. You see, sometimes it's one of these easy fixes, but you just never know. Subscribe if you like it. That would be absolutely amazing. Honestly, I cannot tell you how excited I am. I'm over the moon. It's one of the little things, you know, you've done it. You know you've done it. But while I was doing it, I'm like, is that really gonna work? I mean, give it a try. I do like to try to fix the things for myself. But I was like, crazy. So all good. It comes this way, it comes back that way. I know it is a bit flimsy, but you have to understand we did have the monkey jumping on it. Look at her. She is absolutely beautiful. She's helping us every time. So you cannot imagine how many times, and my missus is laughing because of that of me, how many times I did have a fancier car, a cooler car, call it however you like it, and something broke down exactly when I needed the most, and stay with it in the service and so on and so forth. I mean, it's gonna come a video with the Beamer, because even there something is happening at the moment. What? I don't know. You will see on the next episode if you subscribe though. And that's the case. When for the last 2 days I did have to use Corsa. I mean, you can still drive it, but you know what? I'm gonna keep it in there for you. You're gonna have to watch it to find out what's all about it. But that's the thing with Rosa. Rosa is simply just doing the job. You can't complain. Yes, she's not perfect. She does have some scratches there. Someone probably put something on the top of it, and that's why there is the reason why the paint is fading. A little burning here, but it's still working and cheap maintaining. So to have one of these cars at your house, it's absolutely amazing. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.